Your belly fat is not your enemy, but it is holding you back. And today, we are going to destroy it. Not slowly, not eventually. I mean fast, aggressive, and permanent. Most people think they need endless cardio, miles of running, hours on the treadmill. But that is the biggest lie in fitness. Because the 5 exercises I'm about to show you burn more fat in minutes than most people burn in an entire workout. These movements attack belly fat from every angle. They force your body to release powerful hormones, and they turn you into a fat-burning machine long after the workout ends. Let us begin. Number 1. Kettlebell swings. This is the most underrated fat loss weapon in the world. When done correctly, this simple movement can burn up to 20 calories per minute. That means one thing. You can burn 400 calories in 20 minutes without moving from one spot. And the best part, your metabolism stays elevated for hours afterwards. This is called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. It means your body keeps burning fat even when you are sitting on the couch. But 90% of people do kettlebell swings wrong. So listen closely. Place the kettlebell a little in front of you. Stand slightly wider than hip width. This is not a squat. This is a hip hinge. Push your hips back. Keep your chest tall. Keep your spine neutral. Grab the kettlebell. Pull your shoulders back. Engage your lats. Swing it back between your legs, and then explode forward with your hips. Your arms do not lift the weight. Your hips do. If you feel your lower back working, your form is wrong. Fix it, and the fat loss will be insane. Number 2. Jump rope. The exercise you have avoided since childhood may be the one your belly fat fears most. 10 minutes of jumping rope burns the same calories as 30 minutes of jogging, and it builds more mitochondria, which means your body becomes better at burning fat even at rest. But most people fail because they jump too high. You only need to clear the rope by a little. Small, quick bounces. Rope turns from the wrists, not the shoulders. Elbows tucked, chest up. Find a rhythm. Start with 30 seconds on and 10 seconds off. Build from there. Your coordination will improve. Your lungs will burn, and your belly fat will melt. Number 3. Deadlifts. Yes, the deadlift. The exercise people fear. The exercise that looks heavy. The exercise that feels intimidating. But deadlifts build more fat-burning muscle than almost anything else. The afterburn effect lasts up to 48 hours, meaning your body becomes a furnace even when you sleep. Here is the setup. Feet hip width. Bar over the middle of your foot. Push your hips back. Bend your knees only enough to reach the bar. Grab the bar. Brace your core. Pull your shoulders back. Keep your spine flat. Push through the ground. Let your hips and chest rise together. Stand tall. Squeeze your glutes and reverse the motion slowly. Start light. Learn the pattern. Then build strength. Number 4. Sprints. Humans are built for endurance, but we are also built for explosive power. And sprinting taps into the most powerful fat-burning system your body has. A single sprint session can burn more body fat than long cardio in far less time. Studies show sprint intervals can produce up to 90% more fat loss than moderate cardio. Warm up properly. Jog lightly. Move your legs. Loosen your hips. If you are a beginner, sprint for 10 to 15 seconds at 80% effort. Walk to recover. Repeat 4 to 6 times. Number 5. Burpees. The most hated exercise on the planet, and also one of the most effective, because burpees use every major muscle in the body in just a few seconds. Drop down, kick back, push up, jump forward, explode up. Your heart rate spikes instantly. Your muscles never rest. Your entire body works at once. Do 20 seconds on and 10 seconds off. Repeat 8 rounds, 4 minutes total, or do longer rounds if you want a real challenge. Burpees destroy belly fat, and they protect muscle, which means your body stays strong as the fat comes off. Here is the truth. You do not lose belly fat with slow, steady cardio. You lose it with intensity, precision, and consistency. You lose it with movements that force your body to adapt. Exercises that demand effort. Exercises that challenge your lungs, your muscles, and your discipline. Kettlebell swings, jump rope, deadlifts, sprints, burpees. Master these and belly fat will not stand a chance. This is Phantom Core. Train smarter, push harder, and build the strength that never quits. See you in the next video.